Wow.
Those guys when we saw on the Volvo plate. Oh, GTR right there.
Look, Supra. The yellow Supra. And look, Corvette.
Finally! Now I see a cold car. Yeah, GTR. Supra. That's Supra right there. That is BMW.
Look at that Lexus.
No green here.
This is a Lexus. GSF. Fake R? No way.
Look at right here. Wait.
What? A Mustang. What? Another Mustang. Another Mustang. Another Mustang. This is a Nissan.
That's GTR over there.
Whoa. Hold on. It's a Porsche. Look, Lamborghini. A Lamborghini. Look, want to see? I know whose car this is.
That is GTR again.
That looks clean, man.
I can tell mommy something.
Oh.
GTR right there.
Come here. A Lamborghini. Whoa. Hold on. Let's go look at it. Come here. Look at that. That looks clean, dude.
My daddy.
The NSX. Whoa.
GTR. GTR. And one more watch.
That looks clean. NSX.
I told you there was a GTR. Lamborghini. Mommy, there's a GTR right there. A GTR right there. 300.
A Nissan Z. I think he went drifting in this one, huh?
Daddy, look at that too.
Yeah. This one looks clean. Look at that, dude. It's like, this looks so clean.
Daddy, have you shown me inside?
Oh, the Supra.
I think the Supra coming that way. It's coming this way. So in here. Oh,
Yeah, look at that purple one. Look, an Acura. That's a Mercedes.
Daddy, come over. No, right here.
It's an Audi RS5. That's a Ferrari.
Wait, what's that blue one? What's that blue one?
The Levi.
Oh,
Yeah. McLaren.
it's the Supra.
Yeah. Want to see two Porsche?
Go report.
Yeah, so clean, huh? That's clean. Oh, wow, that's cool. I like this one. Oh, it's a right-hand drive. Huh?
Fancy inside.
It is very fancy.
Trying to
That's
get
a GT3. That's clean, dude.
sports.
No, that's a Corvette. And right behind is another Corvette. Oh. Hey, where you going? Ooh!
GTR.
Rolls Royce. That's a Rolls Royce.